At the second autopsy, there were a total of 8 gunshot wounds. A total of 8 gunshot wounds, meaning that he was hit by 8 bullets. Stephon Clark received 8 bullets. 6 of the bullets, like you could see in the body diagram, exhibited gunshot wounds of entrance in the back, meaning he was shot in the back 6 times. The 7th gunshot wound was slightly to the side of his body, but to the back of the side of his body. So you could reasonably conclude that he received 7 gunshot wounds from his back. And each one of these bullets independently possessed a fatal capacity, meaning that out of all the 7, all he needed to have died was just one of the 7. It takes the brain about 3 to 5 minutes or 3 to 10 minutes to suffer irreversible damage. So death took about 3 to 10 minutes. It was not an instantaneous death. His back was slightly facing the officers, left back to the side. So that would why you would have the entrance to the back of the side of the back. So during the entire interaction, he had his back towards the officers, not his front.